Hello and welcome to Unbox and Discover 2025. Today, we are shaping AI to be true companion, and we call it Samsung Vision AI. AI is more than just numbers. We are focused on what really matters. Furthermore, thanks to 7 years of free OS upgrades, Vision AI is future-proof, giving you access to new AI features as soon as we launch them, all while keeping all your private information secure through NOC security. Our innovation goes beyond AI. It's about inspiration too. You will experience an extraordinary art journey through our expanded Samsung Art TV lineup. This is just the beginning of our journey today. The best is yet to come. Thank you.